You are trying to run a high-performance engine, the human heart, using a broken operating system, rote memorization. If you treat anti-arrhythmics like a phone book list, you will crash the system. And in the ICU, a system crash isn't a blue screen. It's a flat line. Delete the list. Today, we are installing the traffic grid. It's the only logic map that makes these drugs impossible to confuse. Before we drive, we need the map. Here is the installation package. Module 1, the construction crew, Class 1. Module 2, the traffic hackers, Class 3. And Module 3, the command center, Class 2. Let's initialize Module 1. Imagine the electrical signal is just traffic. Depolarization is a rush of blue cars speeding onto the highway. These are your sodium ions. Class 1 drugs act like a construction crew. They physically narrow the road to block the traffic. But we have 3 sub-crews. Look at this comparison table. 1A is moderate. 1B is weak. 1C is strong. Let's verify. Class 1A, Procainamide. Think police barricade. It slows traffic down moderately, but keeps the flow moving. Next, Class 1B, Lidocaine. Think traffic cone. It's a weak barrier. Fast cars ignore it. Finally, Class 1C, Flecainide. Think C for concrete wall. It creates a total blockade. Traffic stops dead. Recap. 1A, police. 1B, cone. 1C, concrete. Moving to Module 2, the traffic hackers. The blue cars are in. Now, the yellow cars, potassium, need to leave. This is the exit ramp, repolarization. Class 3 drugs act like hackers. They don't touch the road. They hack the traffic lights at the exit, forcing them to stay red. This forces the cars to wait. It resets the rhythm. But every hack has a bug. If you hold the red light too long, traffic backs up so far it starts twisting. We call this Torsades de Pointes, the spiral of death. Recap. Too much red light equals spiral of death. We managed the road. We hacked the lights. But the smartest strategy is Module 3. Go straight to the command center. This is the beta blocker's secret. They don't block a single lane. They turn down the volume for the entire city. They tell the drivers to relax. That is why they are the only drugs that save the engine itself in heart failure. Final system check. Here is your full map. Class 1, construction. Class 3, hackers. Class 2, command tower. You are not a memorizer anymore. You are a pharmacology strategist. I want to know who is ready to trust the grid. Type "system installed" in the comments.